feet are going to get wet regardless. I'm not convinced there's a boot anywhere that's going to keep my feet completely dry. But if they get wet, how long is it going to take to dry compared to my trail runners? I'm going to want ankle support. The last thing that I want to happen is to twist my ankle, roll it, have some horrible ankle problem or something while I'm out there. So I'm going to head to REI. The good thing about REI is they allow you to bring things back if they don't work out. So thank goodness, and that is why I am going to buy them through REI rather than anywhere else. So we're headed over to Winter Park, and we're going to see what they've got and what they feel like on my Hey guys, here is our first look at my new boots. Alright, so we are headed out to do a small hike and try out my boots, aren't we? Yeah. Alright, here we go. I'll put this bowl in here. I don't want you to get that leash either. I can't get, oh my god, seriously? Today, we are heading out on a short hike, not far from home, to try out my new Salomon hiking boots. I will link them below, the exact ones and the model and everything. I believe they're 4D Ultras. I think that's how you say it. They are the higher ankled boots because there are a lot of rocks. Going to be some scrambling and some, you know, uneven, god damn it, some uneven terrain where I'm going. So I feel like I want to give myself every advantage. So the last thing I want to happen out in the highlands all by myself is a twisted ankle. My feet are used to breathing. They are used to flip-flops pretty much 24/7, other than when we're hiking and I'm wearing my Ultras. So this is quite a big deal for me to be wearing boots. So hopefully, as I, you know, practice in these and wear these more and more, hopefully these are going to be the ones that work for me. I know I have up to a year to return them if they are not working out for me, but I'm going to be on trail in less than a year, so I need to try them out and hopefully they will work for me. They were the most comfortable of all the boots that I tried. I really went into REI in the last hour before they closed, so I really didn't film everything. I filmed as much as I could, but I had to get down to the nitty-gritty of trying to decide which boot. You're heading to a local trail. It's not a very long trail system. It's pretty short. You could make it longer if you keep looping around and twisting around, but we're just going to do a short loop today. I am wearing 2 pairs of socks. I'm wearing my Smart Wool socks as well as the Injinji toe socks as a liner. So I don't have any tape or bandages pre-done or anything like that. I will be bringing some tape and stuff with me when I go on trail, but I'm not wearing any now because obviously I don't know the points at which I'm going to really need them. I'm hoping I'm not. I hear tell stories of people who don't get blisters, so I hope I'm one of them. So we'll see. This place. You haven't been here since you were tiny. Yeah, hang on. It's nice and cool in here today. Okay guys, so we are back at the truck. We did a short hike today in the same woods that Con hiked in the very first time we ever went hiking together. So I'll probably splice in some little pieces of that video. I'll also put the link to it down below because I don't know how to put links inside the picture. I'll have to figure that out. so you guys can see what he looked like when he was just a tiny little puppy, because he's a big guy now. The boots, it was a very short hike, like I said, so I can't really judge much off of this particular hike, but my feet are dry. I did go through some wet, gross mud, and we did some rocks, and they were very slippery over the wooden bridge. So I imagine that's because they're not scuffed up yet, they're not worn in. So for a first go around, it was pretty good. So thumbs up from me on the first trial. Stay tuned and check in periodically to see how it's going with the boots. Also, I have some other gear items that I am going to be trying out and eventually reviewing, but I need to try them out. Look at what my kid has done to my van. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do so. We would greatly, greatly appreciate it. Once we hit 100 followers, we're going to be launching our Patreon, and hopefully that will allow us to bring our message to more people. So thank you very much, guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye.